Can you guess the most expensive part of the flip? You thought I was gonna say the appliances or the cabinets, didn't you? Oh no, girl, look. That bad boy right there is $42, and that one is $60. This used to be the cheap aisle, but not anymore. This is the expensive stuff. And I bet it gets more expensive as time goes on and there's less places to grow these beautiful things. Now I gotta admit, I am pretty high maintenance. Probably shocking, right? No, I am high maintenance, but I gotta tell you, this is not where I wanna spend my money. So wouldn't it be nice if you could buy houses that didn't need a lot of fixing and flipping? For some reason, there's this misconception out there that if you're a real estate investor, you gotta buy junk. There's another misconception that if you are a landlord, automatically you're a slumlord who doesn't fix your subfloor. Nah, girl, we ain't doing that, all right? Nobody got time for fooling around and going out and fixing and flipping properties that don't need to be fixed and flipped. Or flipped, whatever. What I want to help you with is in the 5-day honey hole challenge, I want to help you find houses that need lipstick on a pig. They don't need a full gut job. They might need paint and carpet. That's doable. They might need landscaping. That's doable. You probably get your yard guy or your husband to go do the landscaping, right? So there's deals out there where you can make just as much money not fixing and flipping than if you took on a whole 6-month project. That's what I'm gonna help you find. Those are the really sweet deals. So we talk about the honey hole challenge. I really wanna focus on that money, honey. And the sweet deals don't always involve wearing a tool belt and steel-toed boots. A lot of times, the sweetest deals come from helping sellers that have a problem, but the property doesn't. It's true, and you can find those deals. I'm gonna show you how coming up soon in our 5-day free challenge on how to find your honey hole. There's a link around this video in the description somewhere so that you can join our honey hole challenge. Let's do these deals, ladies. Let's make this money and let's have some fun and let's swim in the sweetness of life. Join our honey hole challenge. Click that link and let's sign up.